literary arts.
Magandang hapon sa inyong lahat. In behalf of the Committee on Literary Arts, we would like to invite everyone to the 5th edition of Tabuan, which is Philippine Writers Festival. This is the 5th edition. We've been running Tabuan for 5 years now, and we have gone through the whole length of the country. Nahon na ho ito nung una sa Manila in UP, and then we went to Visayas, Cebu, then we went to Davao. Last year we were in Pampanga, and this year we are in Dumaguete, which is the seat of the first writers' workshop in the Philippines. The festival will run from February 7 to 9. We will be gathering, and NCCA will be funding almost 100 delegates from across the country, both young and seasoned writers. And this is the only one of its kind, I believe, in the country where writers from across the country, from north to south, come together and share both in terms of the craft as well as what they have produced. We also have what we call satellite events in various sites in the country. Satellite tabuans having the same activities on a smaller scale. We have one in the Ilocos, isa po sa Baguio, isa sa Pampanga, one in Bicol, two in Manila, Ateneo de Manila and UP Diliman, Samar, Cagayan de Oro, and Davao City. In the main event in Dumaguete, our keynote speaker will be Dr. Resil Mojares, foremost intellectual of the country, who will speak on the nation in the Visayan imagination. Several panel discussions will discuss all sorts of issues on writing. We have writers, as I said, representing various genres and geographical locations. We'll also have performances, book exhibits, and the community will be invited. The writers will be visiting several universities in Dumaguete, and at the end of the festival, we are giving out Tabuan Awards in recognition of the achievement of writers who are based in the Visayas. Everybody is welcome, and we hope that you will help us invite those writers who will want to see for themselves how writers share with each other and try to develop a larger audience. So, thank you very much, and good afternoon.